This attraction, the roller coaster, is based on the Slinky Dog character from the Toy Story series, and we've tried to put the slinkiness into the track. It's one of the unique characteristics of this design is that the vehicle and the track are melded together to act both for a fun effect for the people on it and for a big kinetic effect for the people who are watching it.
It's really cool. When you come around the corner and you see them out here for the first time, and for us creatively, I started looking at the scale and the scale with all the other toys in the land, and so it's pretty amazing to see it. Working with Pixar team, the ride team, and our creative team to, make sure that Slinky Dog does all the movements you would imagine the Slinky Dog character to do. If you had the toy, what would you do with the toy? And our track feels like that. We made sure that the movements that you make while you're on the coaster have that kind of feel. And so you've got camel humps, and you've got coils, you've got circles and twists, and it's going to be an amazing ride to go on.